One tasty and amazing thing that has come out of the COVID-19 quarantine is this little jewel. This is Dalgona coffee. Some people call it a whipped coffee, or some people call it fluffy coffee. I call it fluffy coffee. My name is Aubry, and today I will demonstrate how to make a Dalgona coffee. First, we need to get the ingredients to make our coffee. Next, we will mix and whip the ingredients together. Then, we will put our coffee over iced milk and drink. Whipped coffee is believed to come from India, Pakistan, and China, but it recently became famous as Dalgona coffee in South Korea during their quarantine time. The name is derived from Dalgona, a Korean sugar, because the coffee taste is similar to it. Dalgona is actually in the drink. This drink became viral in the last few months on TikTok and other social media apps. First, we will get the ingredients to make our fluffy coffee. The recipe is simple. It takes equal parts of instant coffee, hot water, and sugar. For one serving, you take 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of hot water, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. You will also need some iced milk that we will pour our coffee over. A whisk or electric mixer is also needed. Once you mix your ingredients together, it is time to make the fluffy part of the coffee. You can use a whisk, but it will take about 15 to 20 minutes to get the air into your ingredients to get the right amount of fluff. I use an electric mixer. It takes about 1 minute to get that perfect consistency. Here is one that I have already whisked. Here is the perfect fluff, similar to whipped cream. We are ready for our final step, making our fluffy coffee. Just put your coffee fluff on top of your iced milk and you are done. You can mix it together slowly and enjoy. I use 2% milk, so my coffee is about 150 calories. Today, I demonstrated how to make Dalgona coffee, or fluffy coffee, as I like to call it. All you need is equal parts of instant coffee, hot water, and sugar. Then whisk until fluffy. And finally, pour over iced milk and enjoy. So as I stated before, at least one good thing has come out of the COVID-19 quarantine, and it is fluffy coffee. Cheers!